Welcome to All-Star Auto Body, where our goal is to provide you with the highest quality auto body repairs and exceptional customer service. We work with all insurance companies to make the repair process as easy and stress-free as possible for you. Our team of skilled technicians have years of experience in auto body repair and use the latest techniques and technology to ensure a flawless repair on your vehicle. Whether it's a small fender bender or a major collision, we can handle it all. Our state-of-the-art facility is equipped with the latest tools and equipment to handle any auto body repair job. We also use high-quality materials to match your vehicle's original paint and ensure a seamless finish. We work with all insurance companies and will handle the entire claims process for you. Our team has extensive experience in dealing with insurance companies, and we will make sure you receive the proper coverage for your repairs. Our customers are our top priority, and their satisfaction is our ultimate goal. We take pride in our work and strive to exceed our customers' expectations with every repair. Don't just take our word for it. See what our satisfied customers have to say about their experience with us. Thank you for choosing All-Star Auto Body for all your auto body repair needs. Contact us today to schedule an appointment or for any questions you may have. We look forward to serving you.